students, welcome to CEC lectures. Myself Dr. Preeti Tagwani from Department of Computer Science, Aryabhatta College, University of Delhi. So presently we are going through the series of HTML, which is Hypertext Markup Language, and in today's lecture we are going to cover a very important concept of any web page, or we can say the HTML as a language is that concept is links. So why I am saying this link is important, because whenever you see a web page or whenever you see a website, you encounter various links to download a particular file, links for sending the email directly, or maybe a text link, or maybe an image link, and so on and so forth. So link is basically an indispensable part of any web page, and link is actually a navigation tool which is allowing a user to jump from one page to another page, or maybe from one part of that particular page onto the same page to a different part, or maybe we can say onto an altogether external website. So links is basically they take you directly to the other pages of the same website, even at the specific parts of the given web page. Or if we are talking about external link, that means it is going to take me to the other websites altogether. So these links are known as hyperlinks, and hyperlink is actually a very important part of any web page, and this is used in order to navigate between websites by clicking on any word, any image, or any phrases or something of that sort. So now these words or these phrases on which you click in order to get navigated to the kind of next page or the next place, that particular word or that particular text is known as hypertext, and that particular phenomena is known as hyperlinking. So these hyperlinks can be created either using text or using the images, and these hyperlinks are available on the web page. Now what is the kind of we can say command, or what is the tag in order to create the link is basically href. So A is for anchor, href is hyperlink reference. So within this a hyperlink reference, we will be writing our destination in the sense on which we want to navigate. Then this tag is actually paired tag, or a tag which is going to be closed by /a, and another one attribute of this tag a hyperlink reference is the target. I'll be covering all these in a short while. So just to have a feel of the whole tag, let's see the example which is available on the screen. Now here I have kind of deliberately just left the head section, because the focus here is only on the we can say is on the particular tag which is written inside the body. So let's begin with the body, and within the body, after a kind of a simple text as a paragraph which says click following link. Now the tag says a hyperlink reference is equals to https www.google.com. That means the target will be, or we can say the destination will be the google.com. That means we want to open this particular website when we click what? When we click the hypertext which is written inside as the markup or as the content of this particular tag ahref. So now we can forget about this target thing for a moment. So let's read it. A hyperlink reference is equals to https www.google.com, then tutorials point, or any website, you can say google.com, click here, and then there is /a. So now this the text which is tutorial points, or it could be any other text like click here or click me. That is basically hypertext, and this will be a link, and the moment we are going to click on that particular link, it will take us to google.com, and this tag is being closed by /a. So A here stands for anchor, href is hyperlink reference, www.google.com is the destination. Now here comes one thing which says target. Now target is basically an attribute which is going to define that how this new web page or how this new link is going to be opened. So now there can be various values of this target attribute. It could be self, it could be blank or something of that sort. We will be covering all these values of the target attribute in a short while. So in order to complete the linking, we say a hyperlink reference, whatever the destination there is in double inverted commas, and the hypertext in between, and then /a. Then we have body and HTML close. So what will happen when we are going to run this particular code on a browser? There will be a link with the text written inside the written on the web page. Here the text is tutorials point. So tutorials point will be a link of will be a text which is going to take me to my destination, which is google.com, and whenever I am going to take my mouse pointer onto this particular text which is tutorial points, mouse pointer will change into a hand, and this tutorial point is actually a link and it will behave like a link, and the moment I am going to click on it, it is going to take me to my destination, which is google.com, and then we have a closure of body and HTML closure there. Then I was talking about the target attribute. So target attribute, as I told you, it is an attribute which is used to specify the location where the linked document is going to be open. Whatever my destination is, that destination is going to be open where that location is specified by using target attribute. Now in target attribute, if we say, let's say target is equals to underscore blank, that means it is going to open the linked document in a new window, or we can say in a new tab, altogether different kind of frame we can say, which is blank. Then we have underscore self as the value of the target attribute. So if we write target is equals to within the double inverted commas underscore self, it opens the linked document in the same frame. That means onto the same in the same window, or in the more specifically we can say in the same tab, it is going to be open. That means onto this self, onto the frame in which we are presently working in the self frame, it will be open. Then apart from that, we have underscore parent as the value of target, which opens the linked document in the parent frame. That means in the frame in which the link is being content is the child frame, and the frame above it is known as the parent frame. So concepts of frame we will be covering in detail in the upcoming lectures. So it will open the linked document in the parent frame. And another one is underscore top. So underscore top is something which opens the linked document in the full body of the window. So there can be four options or four values corresponding to the target attribute. It is either underscore blank, or underscore self, or it is underscore parent, or it is underscore top. So these four values could be there for the target attribute. Now how these can be used? Now for example, I am saying click on any of the following links. It's just a normal paragraph text, and I have given here four values or four links, and all these four links will open in open differently. That means the location on which these are going to open will be different, and that is going to depend on the target value of the target attribute. Now please notice here the destination link is same for all. Now what is the difference all these 4 links are going to carry is that the difference in which or how this link is going to be open, or the location on which this link is to be going open. So here in target attribute for the first link we have return underscore blank, and the hypertext is opens in the new blank is for the new frame. Then underscore self, which is says opens in the self onto the same frame. Then for parent frame we have given target is equals to underscore parent, which opens in the parent, and one is open in the body, and for that we have written target is equals to underscore top. So now if you can see the whole program here, we have a hyperlink reference is equals to one destination, target is equals to underscore blank, and the hypertext then slash a. Similarly for the second link, a hyperlink reference is equals to same, target is equals to underscore self, which is going to open in the self. Then a hyperlink reference is equals to the same link, which is index.htm, target is equals to parent for to open the link in the parent frame, and to open the link inside in the body we use target is equals to underscore top. And what kind of we can say output this is going to give is on the web page, this is going to give click any of the following links, and there is open in new, then open in self, open in parent, and open in body. Now what you need to notice, or what you need to mark as an assignment is please try to have all these kind of target frames in your program, and then try to see by clicking each and every link that how these links are going to open. When we say open in new, a new frame will open if we are saying to going to say opens in self, or opens in the parent, or open in the body. What is the difference between the behavior of these links that you need to notice, as you can take it as a part of the exercise here. Now this was something you can say kind of an link which could be either an external link or could be a link within the website. So for example, my website is actually a collection of web pages. So if I am jumping from one page to another page, let's say for example I am jumping from index.aspx or index.htm to contact us.axps. So this is a jumping, or this is a linking between the pages of the same website. Now or we can say we can specify the name of an altogether external website. Just for example google.com. This is what we did. So that's also an kind of an external we can say linking. Now the third idea could be we can link to a particular page section. So for example, you must have seen various kind of scenarios in which what happens, then there is a kind of link on which it is written, let's say assuming that the link is present in the top section, and the link is click here to go to bottom, and whenever you are going to click on that particular link, that link is going to take you to the bottom of that particular page. So there is a link in the top section on which you are going to click, that is going to take you at the bottom section. So basically what are we going to do? We are going to link to a particular page section, or we can say create a link to a particular section of a given web page, and this is we are going to do with the help of name attribute. So it is basically a two-step process. One is in which we need to name the section, and another one is that named section is to be used as the destination, that label has to be used as the destination. But a very important thing here is this name attribute is deprecated in HTML5, and we have alternative provisions available for this. So how are we going to create a link to a page section? As I was telling you that it is basically a two-step process. So this two-step process says assigning the name to a particular section, which can be done through name attribute. So first we need to create a link to the place where we want to reach within a web page and name it using the A tag as follows. So here is basically one, we can say there is a heading 1 which is enclosed inside H1, and this is written HTML text links, and the next tag which is written just after this is A name is equals to top, then slash A and slash H1. So basically what are we going to do? We are going to create a link to the place where we want to reach within a web page, and we are going to name it using this A tag. So this particular section, we can say, or this particular portion which is HTML text links, is having the name as top. Now how are we going to use this name, the name which is top, in order to navigate to this particular place will comes under the second step. So second step says to create a hyperlink to this document and place where you want to reach. So basically we will say we are going to make one hyperlink which says go to the top. And what is this top? Basically this top is actually that particular section in which we have written HTML text links. So here are two things. Just try to assume the thing, just try to assume the results. Here on the top portion we have HTML text links written, and now please remember that is not a link, only one label is attached with that particular text, and at the bottom of the page we have one link which says go to the top. Now what will happen? Whenever I am going to click this go to the top, this will take me to that particular text, or this will place my cursor to that particular HTML text links. So we have written a hyperlink reference is equals to name of the HTML file, that is the same file presently because we are working in only one file. So we have HTML text links or file 1, whatever the name of the file is. Then there is a symbol hash and top. So basically this is going to tell my browser that whenever I am going to click on this particular link which is written as go to the top, this will take me to the top portion or to the top label or to the portion which is being named as top within this particular file, and this is the file which we are working in. Now this could be another file also, that means within the next file if you want to link a particular section of the page, not the whole page, you can do it this way as well. So go to the top is there. Now this will produce the following link where you can click on the link generated, go to the top, and this will take you to the top of the HTML text link tutorial. So that can be done. So hash is the symbol which is going to be used when we want to navigate from one particular place to another in the same web page. So basically what we did, we have named one section as top, and the link is within the destination of the link we have written this that top with hash along with the file name. So that's going to solve the purpose. Now in till this point we have seen what is the link, what is the tag for creation of the links, which is a hyperlink reference. Then what do you mean by the target attributes that we have seen, and apart from that we have also seen how to navigate within the within one page or to a particular section of the page. Now coming to The next which is setting link color. So basically many a times you have seen that one of the links which is not clicked yet is in the blue color. The moment which we are going, the moment when mouse is hovering around onto that particular link, it is going to change the color, and the moment it is you are going to press your mouse pointer, it is going to change the link again. So here we have active links, or we have visited links. So active link is indicated by the color, and we can change the colors of the active links as well as the visited links both. And this active link and visited links are controlled, or the color of active link and V link visited link is being controlled by A link and V link attributes of the body tag. So now let's say we have we want to have our active link as blue, the normal link as red, and V link as black. Now what is the difference between these three? So A link is active link. This is the link when, or this is the color of the link when my the link is active. That means the we are going to take our mouse pointer onto that, so the link is active. Then all other links will be displayed in the next color or in the different color which is specified by the link attribute. So one is the link and on which we are kind of taking our mouse pointer is A link, which is active link, and then we have V link. V link is visited link. So all these colors can be controlled by A link and V link attributes inside the body tag as it is showed in the on the screen. So here you can say body A link is equals to blue, so active link will be displayed in blue color, link is equals to red, normal other links in the red, and V link the link which you have already visited is will be kind of displayed in black color. And then we have then we made one particular link in the name of or with the hypertext HTML tutorial. Now what you need to do as an assignment is basically you need to check the color of the link before clicking onto it. Next, check its color when you activate it, and the third one you need to check the color when the link has already been visited. So before clicking, then on activation, that means on taking the mouse pointer onto it, and when the link has been visited, all the three colors will be displayed as active link blue, link in red, and V link in black. So all these colors you can set. Then after that you have download links. So download links is basically to create the text link to make your PDF or document or zip files downloadable. You need not to do anything different, you just need to give the complete URL of the downloadable file as follows, which is given here. A hyperlink reference is equals to https whatever the website is, and page.pdf or whatever the downloadable file is, and then by clicking on the link download PDF file, you can download that particular whole, the PDF will be directly downloaded. Then we can also use till this point we have seen that how to how to create the links using the text. So basically we are going to make one text as hypertext, and we will be creating links on that, and we have also seen the value of the value and meaning of the target or attributes. Also we have seen that how to navigate within the page itself, and also what do you mean by the visited link, active link, and link colors, and how these colors can be you can play around with these colors, or how you can change these colors as well. So this was the agenda for today's lecture, and here is a link a list of references which is being used while preparation of this lecture. Hope you had enjoyed it. See you in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye.